Hi everyone, how are you guys doing? I hope people are safe and doing really well. So आज की वीडियो में मैं रिव्यू करने वाली हूँ अर्थ रिदम के कुछ हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स which I'm only obsessed with. So after using these products, my hair really felt good. I've been using them since a month. So let's talk about them in detail and let's get started. I ordered Earth Rhythm Anti-Frizz and Shine Shampoo Bar and Solid Conditioner Bar. Now let's talk about the packaging. So it comes in a tin container which is reusable and it is sulfate and paraben free. Let me tell you my hair care concern and how am I recovering it. So मेरे experience बहुत ज़्यादा है, hair fall बहुत ज़्यादा होता रहता है, breakage, greasy मेरे hair बहुत ज़्यादा है. So ये जो products मैं use कर रही हूँ, इनको use करने के बाद मेरे hairs में काफ़ी difference मुझे देखने को मिला है. So when I came across this product, I was really shocked for a minute because I've never tried shampoo conditioner bar पहले कभी नहीं, मैंने कभी सुना था इसके बारे में. Talking about the texture of the shampoo bar, so it creates a good amount of foam which I was not really expecting from a shampoo bar, and it lathers really well. Now let's talk about the application of the product. So you need to rub the shampoo bar between your hands like we actually rub the soap and then create a lather. Then we need to wet our hair and gently massage the lather into the scalp and hair. And you know there are a lot of benefits of using a shampoo bar. Firstly, it lasts longer than the liquid shampoo as I told you before. Secondly, it does not contain any harsh chemical because the normal shampoo plastic bottle we use, there are a lot of chemicals inside like sulfate and paraben. Coming on the texture of the conditioner bar, so it is a creamy and I feel it's a bit oily because it also contains shea butter inside it. So it is a buttery texture, hence it does not create any, and directly apply on the hair strands. Then we're gonna wait for 2-3 minutes and then rinse it off with water. Also guys, there are a lot of benefits of using a conditioner bar as well. It's travel friendly, so you get this in a very small size. This is biodegradable, which I really feel is a very good thing. So you the after of my hair, how my hair looks like. तो एक बार में तो आपको रिजल्ट देखने को नहीं मिलेगा, बट मैं इनको एक महीने से यूज़ करी तो मुझे काफ़ी अच्छे रिजल्ट्स देखने को मिले हैं. It was a small review and I hope it helps. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel and